Hi, I'm Ben. I'm a technician at Bridge Classic Cars. This is the Austin Healey that came in for a checkup. Steve did the initial checkup on it and found a couple of leaks, one from the rear main seal and one from the steering box. Took out the gearbox. I gave him a hand. The steering box came out as well. I gave him a hand with that. We were required to buy a new one for that. Along with that, John was working on some electrical issues. We also gave it a full oil change, checked the levels. On the rear main seal, obviously we can't replace the original seal without taking the engine out, so John, the workshop manager, found a aftermarket kit that you have to drill into the back of the block and then tap out. This was what Steve did. And you also have to take out the gearbox plates, which mounts onto the back of the engine. So we did that, and we refitted it, and there were no more leaks. Once the gearbox was back in, the interior was back in, it was just a tune-up, because the distributor had to come out of the way of the steering box to get that out, so that had to be retimed and a slight adjustment to the mix, and it was sorted.